CGI water pump 271, CGI not compressed water pump, how it looks like, and what to check when it has problem. Once this pulley makes some abnormal noise, and also you just play the pulley to the sides to know if it's damaged. Like this one, it's reconditioned, it's used, but it's still in good condition. It can be used as well. So this is the water pump for 271 CGI engine. This is its part number. I don't know whether you can see it clearly, because yeah, this is its part number, this one here. Thank you. I think you've seen.